This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Marilyn Drake. Relax and enjoy this fabulous rustic cabin featuring an open floor plan on main with gas log rock fireplace, refrigerator, stove, 2022, dishwasher, 2019, microwave, 2021, separate dining area, West and D, stacked but full-size 2020, bedroom, bath, upstairs, loft, bedroom with ensuite including garden tub, terrace level, full bsmt. With bedroom, bath, office, and workshop. Extras include exterior cameras, exterior lights, on dusk to dawn, shades on all windows, large screened porch, exterior stained, 2020, termite stations, outside shed, security system, generator, some furnishings/accessories remain. Septic permitted for 2 BRS. For more information